Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering facts. Note the stop code and any driver names shown because those clues point to cause. Next, list recent changes, driver installs, Windows updates, new hardware, since those are the usual triggers. Then, boot into safe mode or WinRe so you can inspect logs safely. Make sure to avoid normal boot until you have a backup. Once done, open Event Viewer and collect Minidump files. These are the forensic data you will analyze next. Now you analyze the evidence. Load the Minidump into WinDBG or a visual tool like Blue Screen View to map the stop code to a module. Check Event Viewer for related timestamps and kernel power events. These contextualize the crash. If a driver is implicated, roll it back or install the latest WHQL-signed version, and then perform a clean boot to isolate startup services. Make sure to test after each change so you can confirm which action fixed or changed the behavior. Finish by applying targeted fixes. Install updated drivers, firmware, or cumulative Windows patches. Run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files. Once patched, run hardware diagnostics, Memtest86 for RAM, CHKDSK and SMART for storage, and voltage/temperature checks for stability, because failing hardware often mimics software faults. If crashes persist, capture fresh Minidumps, gather full logs, and escalate to a vendor or IT support with collected evidence so they can reproduce and resolve the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.